Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trish. If it's your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what videos you'd love to see me do next. For today's look, I wanted to test out this Pride makeup look that I saw Tammi Clarke did on her channel. I think it came out so pretty. I am obsessed with it. I use my James Charles and Morphe palette. If you want to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. As usual, we're going to prime our lids first, and I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and then we're going to dig into that Morphe and James Charles palette. I am taking that deep purple shade and I'm placing that on the outer V of my eye first, and then we're going to go in and blend that in with a pink shade, and then to blend that pink shade out, we are going to go in with the orange shade. And I'm just blending the edge of that out with a light lilac shadow, just to get that smoky effect at the end. And then we're going to go back with that same concealer just to cut the crease. Our crease is cut, and now I am just blending that concealer into that purple shadow with a fluffy brush, and then I am going to start packing in a light blue shade into that purple shadow that we've placed down before, and then we go with green and yellow. As usual, I like to do a wing, so I'm just lining the top of my lashes just before I go ahead and add some falsies to that. I wanted to separate the colors, so I'm just lining where I have that cut crease with some glitter, and I'm using my Hypnotic Lights from Milani. I'm just tight lining my lash line just before I add any lashes. I also curled my lashes just so my falsies will be sitting properly when I put them on. I added a bit of my Essence mascara, and I am cleaning up the excess shadow from the outer corners of my eye and just wiping that away with a makeup wipe. To prime my face, I am using my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. And then I am going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Long-Wearing Foundation, of course, because I love that foundation so much. I think it gives a flawless finish, and I know it looks a little bit lighter on camera, but I think that's just because of all the lighting that I'm using. But in person, it's actually the perfect match for me. I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge just to blend that foundation out into the skin. And then for concealer, of course, I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And I am placing that on all the places I want highlighted, such as my under eye, forehead, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm finished with the cream, so now of course we have to set all that into place. And to set the places that I highlighted, I am using my Marcel translucent powder just to set everywhere that I put down concealer. And then I am going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and again that's in the shade 355 Coconut. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to do so. I got this brush in a pack of 18, I believe, from Amazon, and it was like $13, so definitely check out Amazon for any cheap makeup brushes, and they're actually pretty good quality. I did a bit of contour and highlight, and I also added some blush. I used Serafina from Juvia's Place. I also brushed through my brows using my e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. Everything that I used in this video will be listed in the description box, just in case you're wondering, or in case I missed anything and didn't get a chance to mention it, but everything will be listed in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now I'm just finishing off the eyes with the last four colors that I used in the bottom half of my cut crease. Then I'm just adding some mascara to both my bottom and top lashes. Once I got that done, I went ahead and lined my lips. Oh yes, I did add a pop of glitter from my 24A Artist Pass palette from Morphe. Lined my lips with Nutmeg from NYX, and used my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Forever. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next